Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Guru. Let's learn the addition of two digits. Kids, let's try to learn the addition of 23 with 24. Relax, let me help you out with it. Place the numbers one on top of the other so that the place values fall in the same columns. Add each column together separately, starting with the ones place. The sums go below each column, underneath the line. So, 4 plus 3 is 7. Now add the tens digits. 2 plus 2 is 4. So kids, 23 adds 24 is 47. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.